3D printing. It is a process where three-dimensional objects are produced using computer software. These printers are additive manufacturing machines that function by laying down material, layer by layer, in order to create a three-dimensional object. 3D printing allows designers to go straight from ideas to reality. They encourage iterations on designs and produce complex shapes and patterns with relative ease. All in all, what you produce is a product of your own imagination. Another common use for this technology is to print medical devices. Medical tools such as splints and hearing aids have been created with 3D printers. With 3D printing technology, hospitals and organizations inexpensively and conveniently print on the spot. Since 3D printing allows for customization, it goes hand in hand with the patient's needs. Many of these materials are plastic-based, making them water-resistant and available in an assortment of colors. 3D printing has helped in further progressing the medical industry. One of the most well-documented uses of 3D printing in the medical industry is to produce cost-effective prosthetics for patients. Custom-made prosthetics can range anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000, leaving many patients unable to afford the expense. As a result, there have been collaborations between universities and research institutions to provide 3D printed prosthetics to those in need of more affordable options. 3D printing has also affected dentistry. An example of an application would be printing invisible braces, also called INVISALIGN. After scanning a patient's mouth, dentists can produce a plastic aligner very similar to a mouthguard to align a patient's jaw. 3D printing has progressed the medical industry, but can it go farther? Well, researchers have yet to figure out how to fully print out organs, but a company going by the name Organovo was successfully able to 3D print liver cells that function for 40 days. The successful production of an organ will reduce the wait time for organ donors. One of the main problems of printing whole organs is the fact that it is extremely difficult to produce blood vessels. After all, our bodies are extremely vascularized. Researchers at Harvard University were able to produce blood-like vessels that are 75 micrometers in diameter, but human capillaries are much smaller, about 20 times smaller. Nonetheless, the 3D production of blood vessels is a step in the right direction regarding organ transplants. Another way researchers are hoping to use 3D printing is for the production of over-the-counter drugs. Researchers have been able to 3D print chemical compounds found in drugs. In the future, patients can hope to 3D print their own prescriptions at the convenience of their own home. 3D printing in the medical industry is limitless, and the examples from this video just scratch the surface of the potential. This technology has the ability to create and customize different devices at low costs, making the possibilities endless in the field of medicine.